Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mark and Save dito sa Corais Road. Yeah, 5 kilos, 21. Hi guys! Ayan, yan. Mura yan. Yung detergent white.
This?
Brighter. How much that?
Vivid. Vivid flashlight. You need this?
30. Ha?
21 ito.
Aha, doon tayo doon 30. Yep. 10. Oh, mura na. Mura na. Nice. 10 ang shampoo nila. 10. Tapos, yung, ayan, may papaya sila guys. Oh.
What's that? Papaya.
Papaya
lotion. I
lotion.
need papaya lotion.
Put it back. It's 12 SR. You need only 10, 20, 30.
I need to smell it.
It's good, that one.
Oh, I want it.
Push mo na yung trolley. Hi guys, ito pala ibilihan ng mga murang gamit dito guys. Oy Papa, we'll go to there in the trolley. Maybe we'll get something there new for Chiron for the school. You like that one? See, hi guys, nandito kami ngayon guys sa Mark and Save. Ito pala ay tindahan ng mga murang gamit dito guys. Mga grocery. Yan, iba't ibang ano, ang dami pala oh. So ang price nila is 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. Ganyan guys. Parang ano, parang kamsa-kamsa but there is something 5 real din. Ayun, dun. Doon tayo dun. Yeah, come here. Oh, ang daming ano, oh, 79 lang lab, oh. Oh, sa Jada, 10 SR.
Where?
Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Hi, guys. Ay, ito. Uy, pwede na to, ah.
What verse is that?
Wait. Ayan, guys. Oh, yung ganda na, oh. Wow, ang cute. For Ramadan.
Look at the bees.
Look, there's a lot of flowers, Karon. For only how much?
Well, this is
2 SR, guys. 2 SR lang. 2 real. Plate is 5 real.
Mama, it's glass.
Yeah, it will broken. If I will be the one to make it will broken. Ito. You need bauna na hot. It will take so long the hotness of the food. Dito pala nabibili tong mga to. Diba mayroon ako nito sa bahay? Look.
You already have that.
Yeah, I have that one in the house. This is rattan. May mga kaldero sila guys at saka mga takore.
Wait, look at these.
What's that? Oy, ano yung frying pan? Maganda na yung frying. Maganda kaya to na frying pan. No? Tag 17 lang ibang frying pan. No? Ito,
Non-stick?
non-stick 24. Yung maganda yung malaki. Bila natin ng pansit.
It's all made in China.
Yan. Stainless? How much it is?
Ano siya? 29? Hindi.
That's a big one.
89 po.
89? 69 itong isa.
Ano ito? Ang ganda ng stainless.
Pero maganda siya. Ang laki.
Kulang ng tubig.
Pakuluan ng tubig. Ba't mo pakuluan ng tubig? 99, 100. Patri real lang ano. Ano to pang ano? Ay, ito gapang ano guys sa
Really?
I don't know how to use this one.
Thank you.
Oh, this is ano oh, yung
Mama, I need this for bread.
marami din pala silang hangeran dito guys. Mga hanger. Oh, ito lagayin to ng ano oh, tarha. It's only 4 SR. 10 pa oh, 10. Ha? Ano na?
Daming
Ah. Ay, ito, upuan. Ito pala pa. Oh, magkano kaya to? How much this one? 19. Papa. Papa. 19. Pag nag-picnic ka at chair.
This is a camping chair, but
Camping chair. Ah, this is for toilet stop. It says toilet stop. Pwede yung bumili dito na marami din pala mga gamit ng mga... Ay, lagayan ng ano, oh. Yung paminta. Oh, ito pa. Mga plasticware na pwede lalagyan ng mga bigas.
hey, this mechanism doesn't work.
Oh, look at this, oh. Gusto ko to, oh. Oh, lagayan ng bigas. Ganda. Only, how much? Is 10 real. Dito naman may mga drawer, oh. Drawer nila is how much? 189. Sorry. Ang mga price, guys. Ito ay lagay ng mga ano to, mga pagkain. Ito, ay ganun din. Lagay, meron siya maliit, meron siya malaki. Hot pot. Hot pot siya, guys. Honey here. Tingnan natin. Pwede siya lagyan ng biryani. Meron ako nito. Pero this one is so cute. Mura lang siya. Ito, ang ganda, oh. Oh. Diba? Ito meron, oh. Wow. Ano naman nang yan dyan? Mga golden takore, oh. Ano meron dyan?
This ain't gold.
Golden takore.
Gold is not real.
Is that real? How much? 21.
China.
Ang small is 11 SR.
This is definitely.
Yan dito naman, guys, is mga anuhan ng tubig.
Oh,
Ay, papayata, oh. Pa. Ayun, oh, yung hot and cold na baunan. Diba? Dito ay bilihan ng mga baunan ng pagkain. Ano lang siya, 10 SR, meron siya 9 SR, meron din siya mga, oh, meron siya, din sila ganito, oh. Pwede ito sa hot water, eh. Ano lang siya, guys.
water jugs.
34 din siya, no? Tapos, pero itong ganda, oh. Ganda ay 19. Colorful. Ha?
ganyan.
Takore.
Tawang ka.
Dalawang cup?
What?
Ang bilis ka.
Maganda. Para wala kang maano ka.
Parang ano na. Local.
Siyempre. Ouch. Dito naman ay mga baso. Be careful, mahal, ha? Be careful. Yeah. Ito, guys, ha? Do not open daw the box. Yung naka-ano naman, yung naka-sealed. Dito naman, guys, is mga bilihan ng, alam mo yung mga baunan na pwede bigay. Oh, may kutsara pa doon, oh.
But I like the blue one.
There's another one. But
This old already. It's pangit.
Which one?
That one.
The blue? Oh, this one looks pretty cool, but it's
malaki.
White. Ang white maganda.
Yung white. Kasi
white. Okay, but it takes all away the color.
Yun, dito ay bilihan naman to, guys, ng mga ano, yung mga food container na hindi ka agad lumalamig. Ito, ang single is 25. Ito hindi to ano, plastic to. Ito yung ano, yung hot. Pwede ka magawa ng hot. Tapos yung iba tag 5 lang. Ito naman is 5.75. Blue Chiron. Right, Chiron for you. Yeah, that's for you. That's for Chiron.
Where is it? Oh, there's Kyron's lunchbox.
Yeah, lunchbox. He will put vegetables and fruits.
I don't like fruits. I want want pancit.
Okay, pancit. We'll put pancit there.
Pedro.
Maganda. Sabi, mura lang siya, guys. Ito, oh. Meron din. Ito, 14. Ang single is 10. Ito, meron din siyang ganito, oh. Ayun, oh. Ganda. Ang cute. Ang cute siya, guys. Ito, 17. Ito, 29. Ganda. The white.
Kyron, look. This is the
Magandang
same.
white.
This is the same but smaller.
Can I open? Can you open? Can you open?
Is there no lock? How do you even open this?
There is. This one.
There's nothing. There's no lock.
Dito, oh.
But it's so
I just
hard.
make it, push it like harder.
No, I'm going to snap my fingers.
Baba.
It's way too
Ayun,
hard.
open mo nga.
But you don't need to open.
He has also, he ano already, baba. He buy already.
That I got.
The white one.
No, the blue one.
Kapangit yung blue. Parang old na tingnan. Maganda ang white kasi ano. Maano siya. O di kaya this one, oh.
Ow.
This one, kuya, oh. Ha?
Ito?
Di kaya
Tatlo
ito.
yan kasi eh.
Tatlo. So, need only two. Maganda yung white.
Ito?
Yung white, oo. Yung blue kasi parang old na siya tingnan eh. Oo. Looks like old when you see it. How much that one? It's 34, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, 34 real. There is different color. And there, this one is 39. I had baonan like this before when I was studying. Ha? Plato? Tingin, can I see?
Oo.
Can I see? Wow. Can I see?
Meron din.
Dito, you can put there the rice, then you will put sabaw. For sabaw.
Pancit.
Yeah. But still hot and there's spoon. Oh, this is the pancit. Maganda.
Then you just put fork.
Yeah.
I like it. I want it.
Sa mama.
What is this?
But you should
Is this
eat. Put it here, Papa. Can I see yours, Kyron? Kyron, can I see yours? Papa has choose already. He's choose already. Baba. This for vegetables. 34.
Hey, Mama, look up there.
Papa, Kyron choose this one.
I don't need the
Stick.
Yeah, it's for fruits only. Hindi naman babao ng rice yan eh.
Maliit lang.
For fruits. Where is it? The small one? Where? Again, small. Mumura na yan mga ganyan, no? At least, pag nagbaon ka, mainit, di ba? Di ba, kuya? You want rice and, and chicken strips?
Yeah.
Dito naman, guys, mga takore nila, 30 SR lang siya, oh.
Mother.
Yung iba, 20. Ay, lagay ng kape.
Mother.
No, lagay ng kape. Baho lagay ng kape. Mas mura dito ang mga paninda, no? Kaya lang made in Chekwa din, no? Chekwa. Parang ang laki ng plate, oh. Tingnan mo. It's a giant plate. Lagay ng kabsa. Oh my gosh.
That's for kabsa?
Yeah, it's a giant plate. Made in.
China.
Did you see it?
Oh, that's called high quality.
Oh? Ayan mo. Giant plate nila, guys. Yan. This one, what's this? Oh, this one nice.
Mama, I want that. When I go to the pool, when I swim in the pool.
Oh, you will swim on the pool.
I'm not going to swim in this
No, you
pool.
will buy. You will buy.
I will just go underwater.
When?
In the pool.
O, 10 real lang yung pencil. Kuha ka na. 10 real lang yan.
This?
Yeah.
I think I love this.
How many pieces? 10 real, how many pieces? Parang 50?
This is 10.
50. 50.
This is 10.
No, 50 pieces. 10 SR. So, parang 1 real isa. 1 real lang. Then, I will go there. Sa clothes. Dito naman, guys, is mga sapatos, mga chinelas. Ayan, it's only 20, 30. Pero hindi naman siya, ano lang siya, made in China. Kaya mura lang siya. Oh. Tapos mga damit, tag 15 real lang siya, guys. Tag 10 real. Made in Bangladesh. Matakatal. Makapal din ah. Oh, this is for boys. Oh, tag 10 real lang yung mga jogging pants. Dito. Yung mga pantalon nila is only 30. Here. Yung mga long sleeve nila, guys, 40 SR, 44 SR. Depende sa size.
Where's that?
O, dito. Kids. Pato kids. Pambahay. Oh, wait. I'm gonna... Ayan, guys. Yan lamang ang aming shopping sa Mark and Save. So, punta kayo dito, guys. Mura lang yung mga paninda. Bye, guys. Diretso?